Hey, what's up, guys? Mike with you guys back with an episode of lesson for today, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 guitar licks, okay, over a worship song, okay. 5 gospel guitar licks you can use whenever you're improvising on your worship section, okay. That's going to sound good and sounds cool, okay. So if you know that is the first time you're watching me on this channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay. Please turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, guys. Okay, like the video, you can smash the like button. If you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm gonna reply you as soon as possible. And if you want to join my personal WhatsApp class, you can chat me up on the number on the screen there. I'm gonna reply you as soon as possible. Okay. Alright, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna show you 5 licks. Okay. Okay, that you're gonna use 5 licks. You're gonna use in your worship. So I'm gonna sound better. Sounds good. Okay. Alright, without wasting much of time, let's move straight into the video. Okay, I want to do the lesson in the key of C. Okay, I know key of C has been much familiar with so many guitarists out there. So I believe you're going to understand and you can improvise that in any of the keys on the guitar fretboard. Okay, you can play that in any of the key and make sure your guitar is on the standard tune. Okay, so this is the key of C. Okay, so the number 1 licks I'm going to show you is you come to this shape and play something like that. Okay. Okay, so on this shape now, do re mi fa sol. Okay. So you have another key of C on this other interval. So you have the key of C here again on this other interval. Okay. Okay, that's the key of C on these intervals. Okay. So you play from I play from my re, from my va. I slide from the va and the sol. Okay, then I played a kind of a 1/3 there. The sol and the mi. Okay, the sol, mi on the 4th string. Mi, do, re, mi, sol, do, ti, la, sol. So I hold the sol and the mi. Okay, I use my index finger to hold the sol, my ring finger to hold the mi. Then I slide from the va, sol, mi. Then I play mi, fa, re. Now this is re, because this is mi, re, mo, mi, do. So I slide from the mo to mi, do, okay. Okay. Do, that's just like the re, mi, re, do, okay. Mi, re, do. Okay, then I played again. I played re, do, si. So this time around I play re, si. Okay, re, si, re, do, si. Okay. So that is the number 1 lick. So the number 2 licks there I'm going to show you is you're going to play something like okay, so what I'm playing there is mi, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, mi, la, mi. Okay, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, mi, fa, la, mi. Okay, that is on when you're going to your major 7th chord. That's a kind of a mi chord. Okay. So that is the number two licks. So the number 3 licks I'm going to show you there is something you can play something like this. Okay. So what I'm playing there is I'm sliding from this other interval. Now this is your do, re, la. So I slide from the la and the va and the second string. Now okay. La di do re mi la. Okay, la va. Okay, slide from the la va ti so. Okay, la ti so. Okay. Okay. So that is the number 3 licks. So the number 4 licks there is play something like this is a do re. So I pull on from the re. I made a push up, okay? Okay, from the re minor. But I play a push up, I make a push up. Then I pick the first string, which is the la, okay? Okay? Re, la, re, do. Re, do, la, do, la. So that is the number 4 lick. Then the number 5 licks I play. The number 5 is the final lick you will apply in your worship session. The sound well, something like this. Okay, all this lick goes in when you are on your 1 chord or on your 5 chord. Okay, it sounds better. Or you can hold your 1 chord, it still goes well, okay? So the 5 licks I played was T, do, re, okay? Then I slide the T again. Okay? So, mi, so, la, do, la, so. Okay? But I made a slot there. Okay? Okay, that's going to sound better and sounds cool as well. Okay, so if you're playing, maybe you're playing songs like Blessed be the name of the Lord. Then you can play that firstly. You are worthy to be praised. So, Lord, we lift the holy name. Sing him, blessed be the name. Blessed be the name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Okay, you can see I'm using all the licks over that worship song there. So you keep practicing that, okay? Wherever you don't understand, you get back to me. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.